Hey guys, what's going on? This is David. Welcome to my channel. It's called Speed Profit, and in today's video I'm going to show you the cheapest Evo in the history. Let's check it out. It's a beautiful car, but it went under a trailer. Did it pretty bad, but the frame is still okay. I'm planning to fix it, and in the first couple of videos I'm going to show you how. So this is what we are dealing with. The engine is pretty much shit. I don't think I can save just, I don't know, like 50% of it. Radiator is trash. Radiator support as well. So I'm gonna have a lot of fun in the next couple of weeks. I already ordered a couple of parts, like the radiator, power steering reservoir, and a couple other small things. But of course, if this is the cheapest one, it has to have some problems as well. This is the interior. The shift knob is ridiculous. I'm going to throw it out, that's for sure. This one's coming off. The steering wheel is falling apart. The airbag is out. Looks a little dirty. Yeah, a couple pieces missing. But hey, this is an Evo after all. These are most of the things that we're gonna use. And always use some gloves. You never know what's gonna happen. Always use some gloves. With Actually, the turbo is untouched, and that's a big plus. Because finding turbos for this Lancer, it's not the easiest. It's pretty hard. The rest of the car seems pretty good, at least for me. Come on, still in place. One bolt is missing. But I'm pretty happy. Pretty happy that no more problems. So what do you guys think? How long it's gonna take to put this baby back on the road? I'm planning to swap the engine, put the same one in, the 4G63, or should I just try to fix this one? What do you guys think? Please put your thoughts in the comment section. And these are the parts that has been destroyed. I don't think I'm gonna use any of these. I mean the intercooler, I'm gonna definitely keep the intercooler. Try to figure it out if it's still working or it's busted. And the bar, maybe I'm gonna try to straighten it out and bring it back. If I can't do it, it's not a big deal, it's like 200 bucks. But the rest of it is mostly trash. I think it's pretty much done for today because it's pretty hot outside. It's like 100 degrees. That's why I need to keep it cool. And thank you guys for watching. Stay with me on the next one. I think I'm gonna release the next video on next weekend. Thank you guys for watching. Have a great day.